What if I told you people are still making thousands, even millions with crypto in 2025, but most beginners are doing it all wrong? In this video, we're answering the big question: can you still make money with crypto in 2025, or is it too late? Stick around because I'll reveal 3 smart ways to make money, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and simple tips to get started. Crypto has seen dramatic highs, like Bitcoin at $69,000, and painful crashes. But here in 2025, it's alive and evolving again. Bitcoin is climbing, Ethereum is thriving, and new opportunities like staking, DeFi, and Web3 are booming if you know how to play. The first way is long-term investing, or holding, buying proven coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum and holding them for years, ignoring short-term noise. The second is earning passive income through staking and DeFi, locking your coins to earn 4 to 20% returns, like a bank account. But better, though you must stick to trusted platforms to avoid scams. Third, trading. Buying low and selling high during price swings can work if you stay disciplined, use stop losses, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. But there are mistakes to avoid. Don't chase hype or random meme coins. Don't borrow to invest. Don't keep everything on exchanges. Get a hardware wallet and never go all in. For beginners, my advice is simple. Start small. Focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum, use trusted exchanges like Coinbase or Kraken, get a secure wallet, and keep learning because crypto moves fast. So, can you still make money in 2025? Absolutely, if you're smart, patient, and avoid the traps. Winners treat crypto like a marathon, not a lottery. Are you investing this year or staying on the sidelines? Comment below, hit like, subscribe to Dollar and Cents, and remember, don't just work hard, work smart.